Alright, so what we're doing now is measuring for the entryway. We had just decided we want a big door on this end, so we're going to do right now. They're going to be making an angle on our ridge beam that's going to be matching the arches for the doorway. So this is going to be the top of our door. We're going to cut an angle just like so. We measured our door, and we're going to be cutting 2 links for the sides at 74.5. Now we'll be placing our hinges. Now we'll snap clamp it on these edges here. Why we cut extra so we can roll it, get it really tight. We can always trim off. Half the door. Now I'll put our window in. Snap cross up top. This allows us to disconnect, open our window, come back up, and snap back into the door.
For more PVC ideas like this, follow our YouTube channel or our blog. You'll see the URLs in the comments below. If you would like to purchase some of our products, go to our website at www.circoinnovations.com. Thank you for watching.